phone Nanswin. The man no hen a damn one for boy him what else once soon. The master na hen so Yamikasa, once God has spoken, twice have I heard. Him there, Juvun, and one underway 20 years and above. Apart from Joshua and Caleb, Ebia do promise land. Demra me one Nanswin. Not say, Yamikasa say you. Say, who's Mark Mayna or in Banansu? Now, Madina was the Banansu or the Shemaim in Yama. No, Musso may you want Banansu there. Me Israel for Nansu. Now, and one for Wakuma Amayam was son of Nabasan or two. Double-edged sword. Double-edged sword. And she said, a bosom yamia. Decide, then by Joshua can. And when I was from your men, one soon because you had two for some. I call school and you call, I call Goma, you call, Ufie, behind you. Double. It's between you and God. Yanko Ponsu do behind me a Bibia and Frenchman. Now I'm repeating. Yaka Thanksgiving na as if there visibly Yankupon or Skabia to our country. Now we'll be them. Those ones are very easy to do. Nana Makavika cry. Aim there. Say Yami pa. If you know God and you know His word, thanksgiving should come naturally to you. Or natural. Sorry. Nyankopon, God is walking with us in this walk of love. Okay? Ona medonti. Oshada on win asasi. On winning. Ozinyama shishem. As animals, and one was solim, and one and made this earth so beautiful out of love. Because on him, ma ozirabasha sasido. And Yankupon or Shada here inside there. The systems of this world or this earth will support human life. Or yan damre, Nipana or Baba will not now to assassinate them. Will be provided for. All these things, the biodiversity, they combine. And hence no way. Say a wundama, no, a sir and a pa. A wood there and a Sibu or the Ezimanyami. And him there, Ethan, the distance from the sun. Baby, a real war, and baby, them planet Earth way. Yankupon calculate, no, they see. Baby, say, oh, you could do, you call Venus or now they do Maswa. They do Venus like too hot. Or Beneviano do is too hot. And I hear Ben, a hassa, Massa, oh, too cold. And see, or Dom Mapan, and see, or win them assassin. What's the man? Sustain and support life forever. And yet for you, essential. Why shrink to the rivers. Some the alcohol many now was to as Papa many said, the regum. So if you are so bola, na so da fefe film bim oba what you to bola. Respect God. There's a hymn for the beauty of the earth. One of you too. For the beauty of the earth. For the beauty of the skies. Send me one, and me one.
Which from Allah over us, around us fall. Gracious God, to thee we raise this our sacrifice of praise. Gracious God, to thee we raise this our sacrifice of praise. Gracious
For the beauty of the earth, Lord, we give you offering.
to thee,
An offering of thanks.
this our sacrifice of
Deborah,
praise.
I am assassin. Ma, all support life. Resenting. Iradi. And I say, I only kabia. And the pay Rema Maya Zemo. Look, when we go to a creation story, Genesis chapter 1, verse 2, the earth was without form and void, and darkness was over the surface of the earth. And Yami, what you can Genesis 1 verse 2, mom. Nyame ofre a can fi esumnum. Ofre a can fi esumnum. Wait. One. Assassin the old hun. And our door, a pan, empty, void. Sum, ajibune. To hovered over the waters. God. Thank you for that song you sang. It's one of my favorite. This is the air I breathe. Nyamene presence. The creative power. Now, was a can now afi ensul water water or separate or creative firmament. No, or separate the waters from the waters. And so the waters above the firmament, and then the waters below. And the waters below, offer assassin out of the water. Assassin, obey. Why Jenny is here? Let me create something for man. Or yes, special to me. It evokes praise and thanksgiving. It should be.